thank you for coming. I'm glad that it is not raining and everybody could make it for the show today. We've not planned a very formal event because we wanted this whole show to be about engaging with the artwork. Instead of doing us talking about the artwork, we thought you should see the artwork and draw your own conclusions. So very informally, I would like to welcome everyone gathered here. Of course, our man of the day, Mr. S.N. Agarwal, who generously offered to bring out these artworks from his private collection to here. So I thank you, sir, for allowing us to exhibit this and sharing these collections with everyone. On the same note, I want to thank our president, Dr. B.L. Shankar, because it was his brainchild to think of this such an exhibition of bringing works from private collectors to the public audience to engage with. And this kind of resonates with what Chitrakala Parishad's core ethos is, to make art affordable, accessible and non-elite. And this very much resonates with our core principles. So it was his idea, and thank you, sir, for pushing us. I must admit that we put this show together in a very small time, and when we were also expressing concern, he said, no, go ahead, do a beginning, start somewhere and we'll see how it will pan out. So thank you for encouraging us, sir. Even when we were in self-doubt, you pushed us to work hard. I thank everybody else from the management, our General Secretary, Mr. Shashidhar Rao SN, who also supported us. He and Professor Appajaya, who is also Secretary of CKP Trust, and the executive committee members who kind of bankroll these projects, because every exhibition requires a lot of logistics and financial support. Without that, none of us can do anything. So it was they who realized that we need to do this exhibition, and thank you for greenlighting this project. And we hope this will start off as a series, that every year we can feature distinguished collectors and bring that to the public eye. I also welcome our chief guest, Dr. Shalini Rajneesh, who took time from her busy schedule to come and see this show. Thank you, ma'am. We welcome you. And now I request Mr. Yes. I request Mr. S.N. Agarwal to kindly share his thoughts.
Good evening, everybody here. I just couldn't believe it when I saw this exhibition put up today, that these same paintings which were in my house walls and my office are looking so different now. More so, each painting was technically very well explained to me from the artist's point of view by our Dr. Vidyashri. And it made much more sense to me going through with her and every painting. And so much is there in the background of each one of them, I didn't even know myself. I mostly collected it by looking at the painting and graduated over the last 40 years in a small way every time to find that maybe out of 100, 70 or 80 were of no good and didn't mean much, but they were collected. And so I left my thing open to Dr. Vidyashri. I said, go and pick up whatever you like and show. So she picked up whatever she thought was a good from the art point of view. So I'm myself privileged that my art could be seen by our fellow friends here, Bangaloreans, or people who are visiting Bangalore. They do come to our Chitrakala Parishad as a tourist. So this will be a good memory for all of us. But I'm personally grateful to her for always. Dr. Shalini ji has blessed me for such event here today or in the past. So that is a great encouragement for me to have her here with us today to bless us. And very nice of her to find time. You must be seeing her busy schedule, allocating that land in Hebbal here and there, or on a daily basis. Very complicated, difficult task at her hand. At least that much complications I have not seen in my 50 years of working life in Bangalore. Thank you, madam, for coming down. Thank you, Shankar, for encouraging this. Thank you.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಾಲಿನಿ ರಾಜನೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲ್ ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಚಿತ್ರಕಲಾ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೊದಲಾಗಿ ತಮಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ನಾವು ಹಂಚಿದರೆ ಅದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಒಂದು, ಆರ್ಟ್, ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಒಂದು. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಶೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್, we don't lose out on it. We in fact multiply, because as he said, he himself did not know about the the technicalities of the pictures or the artifacts which he was possessing. So it's a wonderful initiative. ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರೈಸ್. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೋ ಚಿತ್ರಕಲಾ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಪೈನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್, ದಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಸನ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಸಂಡೇ ದಿನ ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈವ್ಲಿಹುಡ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ಗೂ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅವಕಾಶ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ತಮ್ಮ ಸೆನ್ಶುವಲ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಐಸ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್ and the feelings that the artists have expressed. I'm sure each one of you will feel differently. It will be nice to have maybe a register for people to leave their feedback. That will be nice. It can be reached out to the artists or to the collectors. Thank you very much.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. At the outset, I should thank S.N. Agarwal ji. So much of good collections he had all these years. For many decades he had collected all those things. It was in his office and at his residence. Most of it was not open to public, only his guests were used to have a glimpse of it, but not to the public. Sometime last year, when we are thinking of adding some more programs to Chitrasante, apart from Chitrasante. Chitrasante is a program which is known all over India and all over world now, because it happens every first Sunday of every year. After that, we wanted to have some other programs which will in a way have a different connotations as far as the inviting the master artist and others are concerned. So we started this year in the month of May, Namma Art Bangalore, wherein more than around 150 artists from all over India came, exhibited for 5 days, and it was our first effort. There was some interruptions because of rains and all that, but somehow it was a good beginning that we have made. Now it will be every year we are going to have, one is in January Chitrasante, sometime during the course of the year you are going to have this Namma Art Bangalore also. Another program which you wanted to have was bringing out the collections of the collectors and see that it is open to the public so that they can see and enjoy it and also make their comments also. And it should not be this, so much of treasure should not be hidden in the houses or in the private collections or in the storerooms. So Agarwal himself was amazed to see that so much of collections he has. Many for years also he might not have seen some of them. So he was very kind enough. So it was our first effort, and the Agarwal Shops is the first exhibition of the collectors. Now we want to have it as a every year affair. Every year we want to bring some collectors' collections and artworks and see that it is exhibited for at least 2 weeks for the view of the publics and also for the view of the critics also, art critics also. So much of good artworks are lying in many parts of Bangalore, and with many people in Bangalore only we have many collectors who have huge collections of many renowned artists of the country and the world also. So that was our effort, and he was kind enough to come forward. And he is our trust chairman now after Krishna's demise. S.N. Agarwal has taken over as the chairman of the Chitrakala Parishad Trust. So we wanted to have our exhibition of our trust chairman first. After that, when we were entrusted this work to Dr. Vijay Shri and with the help of our executive committee and secretary Shashidhar, but somehow we were running against time and there were skeptical about having this in a short time. But he said beginning has to be made, so we made a beginning. I think it will be have a first, though it is our first effort, it will have the very good impression of the viewers. So when we wanted to have got it inaugurated by somebody, we thought of Shalini Rajneesh madam, because she is in a busy schedule. The stormy assembly session is on, and tomorrow is our 79th Independence Day. She has to organize all the programs for that also. Apart from that, many other responsibilities, so many things are there on her head. But in spite of it, on time she was here and she inaugurated this exhibition. She is also well-wisher of Chitrakala Parishad, and she wants to help Chitrakala Parishad also to see that whatever place we have, it is developed properly and it is more useful for the publics and art lovers. So I thank Shalini Rajneesh madam personally and on behalf of Chitrakala Parishad and on behalf of Agarwal for having made to this. I also thank all our executive committee members and Kalsas sir. Kalsas sir is part of a brigade group, and now they are having starting one museum in Chikmagalur. Recently they renovated our Venkatappa Art Gallery, spent huge lot of... The Vice President also. Yes sir. Yeah. Huge lot of money brigade group spent on Venkatappa Art Gallery, and Kalsas is part of it. And Brigade Jaishankar is from our place Chikmagalur, so we are proud of him, so that his contribution to the public cause is so much that he is also a member of our Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad. Also I thank Kalsad on behalf of Brigade Group also. He is here. I thank him. I thank all our office bearers, executive committee members, the principal of the evening college, and all the faculty members and students for having made it. Appajaya Trust Secretary, he also put lot of effort in realizing, making it a reality. So I thank all the trustees also, all the Chitrakala Parishad members. Thank you all. Have a view of all the exhibitions, and it will be there for up to 25th, 24th. Up to 24th this exhibition will be on. I want all the students from different colleges in, especially art colleges in Bangalore and other parts, want to come and have a look at it. Otherwise you will not get it. Many of the artworks you will not get it in your lifetime to see it if you miss this 10 days. Thank you all.